Have you ever felt a wave of warmth remembering special moments with your partner? Nostalgia isn't just a fleeting emotion, it's a powerful tool that can strengthen your relationship in profound ways. Here are 5 effective strategies to harness nostalgia for deeper connections. First, revisit shared experiences. Take a trip down memory lane by visiting a place where you first met or had your first date. This can reignite feelings of joy and love. Second, create a memory jar together, filling it with notes about favorite moments. Pull one out each month, reflecting on those cherished times and reinforcing your bond. Third, look through old photos. This activity not only sparks fond memories but also reminds you of your journey together, fostering gratitude. Fourth, share stories from your past. Discussing your childhood or pivotal life events can create intimacy and help you understand each other on a deeper level. Finally, celebrate anniversaries creatively. Instead of just marking the date, incorporate elements from your past, such as recreating your first date or sharing a favorite meal. By weaving nostalgia into your relationship, you can deepen your emotional connection and create lasting happiness.